little bit, I'd like to ask you about your experience with me, with the Guardians Defense Academy. So, like, how was your experience with our teachers, with our faculty, with me, and all? Just so that others come to know what you went through. I'm open to any criticism also. So, do let me know what you feel. How was it helpful interacting with us?
Yes, sir. I would say that it was helpful. It will be from my side to criticize any of the faculties there, but I would like to say that it was very good, mainly for the SSB thing, sir. Since we are from Chinese school in Fa, we all have that in ourselves, but they are all have in ourselves in a raw thing, raw material. But the Guardians Defense Academy, I think that they try to fix that raw material in such a proper thing that we can use it in the SSB, sir. So these are the things that we get from
Okay.
the Guardians Defense Academy, sir.
Thank you so much. And many students from Manipur go to Delhi and other places also, and maybe they are not aware of Guardians Defense Academy. So, like, you have you had any exposure to any academies or training establishments outside of Manipur?
Yes, sir. I also went to Banoi, sir.
So, like, can you tell us, like, is there a difference between the quality of training you are getting in Guardians and in Balnoi? Like, are we at par or worse than them? What is that?
Basics that are taught are all same, I would like to say, but
Mm.
the basic difference is that we get the exposure to other part of the this India other than Manipur in
Mm.
ourselves only. So we got the exposure to other different parts, what they think, what they how they talk, how they prepare themselves, how they depict themselves. These are the things that we get to know when we go outside, sir. So when we
Definitely.
are only inside, we only learn, we only get to know about ourselves only, the way how we conduct ourselves. But in the Manipuri, the most wrong thing about the Manipuri student are they are very shy to depict themselves. They do not speak much. They know everything. They have the quality in themselves. They have the potential, the highest potential maybe, but they do not expose it. They do not show it to the other people. But this is different for other parts of the India. So these are the things that I get to know when I got
So
exposed
tell
to the.
me, you have been exposed to other students from other parts of India. So when you compare them with an average Manipuri student, what advice would you like to give a Manipuri student to, like, are we lesser or equal, or can we do something to even match up to them or beat them?
Sir, I think we are better than them, but we should speak more, sir. We should speak more. That's the thing, sir.
I keep telling my students who come that not speaking is not a problem of tongue tied; it is a problem
Mm.
of brain tied, because we lack current affairs knowledge. So if we have knowledge, we'll keep talking. If we don't have, like you're talking now because you have knowledge, you have success and confidence in your side. But if it was reverse, then knowledge is not there, then you'll not talk. So I feel personally that Manipur is we need to improve on our current affairs, and speaking any language we can match up very fast with anybody. My
Yes, sir.
friends who were there with me in NDA from our side, although they had heavy accents,
Mm.
but all of them are now, many of them are brigadiers also, even Jats, even Madrasis with their heavy accents are now going to become generals, etc. So